warning, an engine failure happened. Please land safely.
Oh no, the landing gears are broken. What should I do?
And I was about to say that I must turn on landing gears for an emergency landing. But then it failed to deploy the landing gears. But a clever plan entered my mind, so I did this.
December 44, 2:35.
Sir, something went wrong with the plane.
Did you see anything happening, sir?
No, but the alarm said that an engine failure happened. We need to do something with this plane. But it's too hard to do something like that. Those are the other planes. And that's our airplane.
The good thing is that the owner bought a new plane.